and good morning. I am sorry. Uh, in front of my house, an old man uh, died in the early morning. So I went there, airport, looking somewhat shabby. Don't worry about that. Today I want to discuss the maintainability of habeas corpus in respect of custody of the child is one of the subject which is time to time decided by the high courts uh, by appreciating the facts stated therein. So, uh, whenever you prefer habeas corpus for child custody, you should be very careful in drafting. If you plainly draft your affidavit and admits the custody of the child with the other side and you want as a matter of right under personal law, so your reputation may not be maintainable. But instead that if the child was with your custody, that was snatched away, and the ultimate possession of the child may result in deterioration of the life even to the extent of loss of life. So on every minute custody of the child with the respondent is tantamount to illegal custody. Therefore, habeas corpus will be filed. So this way you have to draft it. Like that only, whenever youngsters prefer habeas corpus about missing of the girl. Normally what happens whenever if the girl is found missing and if you want to lodge a complaint specifically by imputing allegations, the police officers never registered it. They simply denied to register and get a different complaint as if the girl was found missing. So that apart, when you approach the Honorable High Court for habeas corpus, you have to specifically state that the girl is with the custody of so and so, and her custody for every moment may deteriorate her health or her morality, and there is possibility of compelling her to indulge in illegal activities. Uh, so many things you have to state. So this case, it's a fantastic case, deals with the custody of the child. Apart from that, this case deals with a lot of information about the personal laws of the Muslim, how the child custody is being devolved on step-by-step relationship, and if there are properties, how the custody will remain. Lot of things have been discussed. So you have to go through the entirety of judgment if you want to know some cryptcy of the Muslim personal laws. So here the AR 2020 Allahabad 213 Sahil versus State of Uttar Pradesh. Article 226, writ of habeas corpus, custody of minors Muslim son, mother seeking custody of minor who currently residing with his grandfather. Minor's father dead, minor having step grandfather, mother. Mother is only surviving parent of the child. As per Muslim law, mother entitled for custody of minor until age of 7 years because it's a boy. Mother not required to opt for ordinary remedy available under section 25 of Guards and Wards Act. Welfare of minor is more secured in hands of mother. Mother therefore entitled for custody. The second concept is most important. Where there is not much of debatable right available to other parent or some other relative who is detaining child contrary to wish of applying parent, writ ought to be issued. So there is much of debatable right available to other parent or some other relative. So this is most important. The allegations are there that you have to go through. It. It's not necessary to go through. 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 It's not necessary to go through read about the history. That not seems to be very specific, but several judgments were discussed. AR 2019 SC 2318 Tejaswamy Gaud versus Shekhar Jagdish Prasad. Several cases discussed. So what I have already told you, the mullahs, principle of Muhammadan Hidayatullah, Arshad Hidayatullah, section 352 of Mullah Muhammadan law, and part B of the chapter 18 dealing with guardians of the person of a minor, 352, 353, 355, wherein the order given how relative children's custody will devolve a mother step by step. At paragraph 9 it has stated that paragraph 20, paragraph 9, mother howsoever, father mother howsoever, full sister, current sister, like that. This was then again how default of female relations. There are also 350 father, nearest paternal grandfather, all these things have been. So if you have to go through the entire these provisions of all personal Muslim law, go through step by step, it will help you and keep the judgment on your file permanently, so that if any case comes to you, you can pick the right person as a guardian. Even if you, instead of going to habeas corpus, if you had an occasion to defend guardianship and Watts Act and other act, suit for custody of the child, you can do that. So finally they have decided, they have referred near about multi-number of cases at paragraph 19, which deals with the habeas corpus maintainability. Finally, the maintainability of habeas corpus was accepted and custody of the child was handed over to mother. Rule Nisi. Under habeas corpus, normally not only habeas corpus, all writ rule Nisi is being issued. Rule Nisi means that they must appear immediately and answer the writ. That is called rule Nisi. In habeas corpus also, if the rule Nisi is there, they have to produce the detainee. Accordingly, child was produced. So kindly go through this. After going through the entirety of judgment, you must keep in your mind that it is your drafting and pleading knowledge which would help you in getting maintainability of the habeas corpus. So, and particularly your averment in the affidavit must be chronological and fixed date of timing allegations. Client, if is not able to mention you the date and time, you have to discuss with them and you fix some date or time and make them to understand this would be the probable date. But for that, the court may not come to help you in processing your writ of habeas corpus. Apart from writ of, these are correlated. Section 97, 98 CRPC also deals with the custody of the children and wife, minor, abducted woman. Like that, Article 226 Constitution, habeas corpus, writ of habeas. Then Hindu Watts Act and Guardian and Wardship, Hindu Minority and Guardianship Act and Watts and Guardians and Watts Act. These two acts are must go club together. All if you want appointment of guardianship, so natural guardian, de jure guardian, de facto guardian, all facts are there. You have to understand. Kindly go through this judgment deeply to understand and take down certain, at least certain paragraphs. Rest is